My car ain't loud at all, bro. My car ain't loud at all, so I'm gonna hit this joint up. I'm gonna go pick my wood up. We can get back with y'all.
Hey, they charge the boss down in the end zone, pull a set. Nigga play, get walked down, take a life, he can't come back. All these brothers, I'm on serving, trapping like my greening back. These niggas keep down from making songs, but they ain't learn from that. I ain't got no heart for no home.
Come on, bro. Gotta pick my boy up. I don't even know where that nigga at, though. Time I pull up to the front. Nigga, you is not over here. And these slow ass cars, you know, SITD type shit. There you go. Yes, sir. Come on, boy. Get the bag out of the way. Ain't none of that shit anyway. Yes, sir. Come on, boy. Hurry up. You know how to get to the Civic? Yes, sir. We got the camera in the deck. Yes, sir.
Look, you finna break your neck.
It's 200. He said like it's Civic across from the hospital. You know what that said? I bet.
Yeah, you can leave it right there.
That way?
Yeah, hit it up.
I bet. Man, they were hitting that shit, bring a cap. I heard Mustang fire.
It felt like they were flying right past it, bitch.
Nigga, I heard a fire at Charger though. This had like the same white side markers that this in. Everything. Go down that road or something.
Yeah, you can really keep saying.
Straight.
There's a Civic over there. Yeah, you know, like they big ass parking lot.
Yeah, I ain't seen nobody there though. I saw people in the parking lot at first, but then
He got me because I thought I saw that green.
man, I saw a lot of cars.
It'll be over there, back there.
They back there?
I see something back. It gotta be back there.
Yeah.
Cause look, this the Civic right here. Yeah, cause you gotta go all the way back there to get to the Civic. Oh, whatever that is.
What do we do? Vet over there.
Oh,
Vet.
oh, does she see it?
Shit. Ah. It's on quiet as a mug, right up. I'm trying to slow it down. Man, they the police? Got it.
SuperBee.
Grab them. They can't be back there.
You sure? Yeah, and I grab it right there.
Yeah, I know they ain't.
Cause this the Civic. See what I'm saying? Yeah. There's a lot of them.
Hey, it's a hard
Oh,
right?
God,
Hey, but my heart looking at me.
Yeah. Let know who get him.
Yeah, Mark over there. These are dirty, bro. My car dirty as fuck, bro. My car so dirty, bro.
Ain't no damn way you done hit one of them.
Man, my heart.
Huh? Dang, we ain't seen you sit roll around that bitch. We good though.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, we just got up here. I'm finna, I gotta go run grocery shopping and get some shit, and we gotta go eat.
Bet.
And we might come back through here, but I don't know how long. I don't know if it's gonna start raining, so
Yeah.
I'm going to take care of my shit now.
Alright, bet, what's up?
Hey, look, I just told Mom, he said, that nigga look clean as a motherfucker.
Hey, bye. I'm over there at work. Look at my work vest on. Like the lens.
What you do? What you want?
What up? Car dirty and stuff. Yeah.
Congratulations on your new wheel, dog.
Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Oh, yeah. Oh, you just got this in?
No. This me right here. I'm telling you.
Where you from?
Coffeeville.
Coffee.
Yeah, I'm built all the way through, man.
Yeah.
You going all black on real?
I had one just like that.
What, SLT?
Yeah. Well,
Well, yeah.
mine wasn't SRTA. It was a Hemi, but I was
Yeah.
finna do the conversion and shit.
Yeah.
But shit, I went back shit.
That's the thing I heard earlier. That red. You saw this down here? Damn near every jet wide body, bro. 392 shit. Damn. Ain't like they be hard. Man, they aggressive as hell right here, cow, bro. They ain't got a bike out here. What is this? I'm trying to see what CC this is, bro. He rode in the rain, it's crazy. It's you, ain't it?
Yeah, no.
You don't fuck with it?
Convertible.
Convertible, yeah.
In black, straight down.
What's it? Shaker.
Shaker.
Let's go up, bro.
Twerker.
Yeah, I ain't pick you up no more.
Yeah, just can't call it like the video. I ain't gonna say.
This case, what? Everybody watching. Ain't take that shit off. I ain't gonna care. They take that shit off.
You got a second. You in the white book.
Girl, I just clean. What's up? You said what?
Did bro say he was gonna go grocery shopping?
Yeah. He probably. Yeah.
He was gonna go to Walmart.
Probably, yeah. Kroger shit. He just clean. I ain't gonna care. We got loads vests on there. He said, these niggas came for work, ain't it?
People out the light.
What? Clean. Good boy. Yo, they be so quiet, bro.
Oh God, you need to come on with it. Come on, bro.
Quiet, bro. You know what, bro? See, bro, I ain't want that to happen, bro. Now they can't hear mine, bro. I read one time, now when I go,
I ain't ready shit.
They gonna move, bro. Well,
I'm just gonna see what I do.
nah, I can't go. I can't go. I gotta wait.
They cooking popcorn down there.
Shit.
Put some butter on that motherfucker. They cooking popcorn. Bro, the only thing about it, focus.
What? Motherfucker around that motherfucker.
Hello? Yeah.
It ain't really been neutral, right? Cause my RT isn't really neutral, bro.
Who said that?
Nah, I'm saying it cut off when I read the neutral.
No, fucking not. Don't I know, but it don't.
My car ain't cut off, bro.
I did that in your RT and it didn't cut off. No.
While you were driving, you put in neutral and read it? Or you put in park and read it?
If I put that motherfucking park, it's gonna cut the foot. It's gonna.
No. Alright, so okay.
Hey, yeah, put in neutral. That's how I go up under the bridge. I don't hit sit down. I don't hit the ass. No. It cut off on you?
Huh?
It cut off on you?
Nah.
You just said it cut off.
No, I'm talking about like, before. Yeah, like when I was doing it. Yeah.
It never cut off on me. I keep saying that. Nah, you don't handle that right now.
What the fuck are you doing?
Well, they stop.
I'm getting this uncut off, right? I gotta get this uncut off.
Yeah.
appreciate it.
Yeah,
Cameraman, yes sir. W cameraman, yes sir. Alright, bye guys. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Ah! Yeah. Yup. Little quick stop, you know. And I gotta go back to work, bruh. Man, come on, bruh. I go to work, bruh. Leave mid work for a car meet. Did I just hear a pop? Nah, I'm tweaking. I got that fennel pop, you know, like that. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna be off for today. I'm gonna way back to work now. We got, what time is it? I ain't showing the time. But it's like, man, I don't even know what time it is. I ain't gonna let. It's 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock, bro. We got scattered from us. 4 o'clock. We got like 5 more hours left on the shift. So yeah. Good little quick little vlog, whatever. Little first car meet vlog type shit. Everything out there was hard. I ain't gonna cap. But so one thing, y'all know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm gonna get back up with y'all later, whatever. SITD, SIT me, yes, Sirski.